Hi guys, in this video you are going to learn how to add the Saber effect for the text that you created in After Effects. So without wasting any time, let's start. I opened the After Effects and creating the new composition. I'm choosing it as 1920 by 1080. Even you can choose the 4K as well or even lower than this. Click on OK. Now our composition is created. Then I'm creating a new solid layer so that you can clearly see what's going on. Now I'm choosing the Control plus T option to enable the text, the type tool, and I'm adding as Saber text effect. Now I'm going to the properties panel. But before that, I want to go to the align section, the point, and first I need to align the text. Then I decrease the text size to 200, or let's say even 150 also works for this. Then clicking on align. Now we created the text. Then go to the effects and preset panel and search for the Saber effect. Drag and drop this directly to the text or this layer. Both ways it works. As you can see here, it is not at all showing anything. That means the tracking is not there. For this, I'm just going back. First, select the text before applying the Saber effect. Go to the layer, then choose auto trace. A new window will be opened like this. Keep these options as it is guys and click on OK. Since the text is in static, no movement at all, it tracks very fast. If in case your text is moving, it takes more CPU and GPU power. Now, as you can see here, the tracing layer is created. Now go to the effects and preset, search for Saber, drag and drop this to this. Now, as you can see, it is showing. The first thing you need to do is go to the customize core. By the way, this is under FX control panel, and under the core type, select it and choose the layer masks. Since it is a layer, that's why we selected the layer mask. And now I'm changing the preset to energize or anything. Even if you want, you can change it. So I zoom in so that you can clearly see it. I'm decreasing the glow intensity to 25. As you can see here, the effect is applying to the text. Now, if you go to the render settings, under that, the composition settings and alpha mode will be there. If you choose the alpha mode to mask glow, as you can see here, inside also it is glowing. If I change these options, it changes accordingly. Basically, you can tweak all the settings here and choose the one that suits you the best. And that's it. This is how you can add the Saber effect for the text in After Effects. Don't forget to like and share this video so that I keep on posting more tutorials, not only about After Effects, even for other softwares as well. Thanks for doing this, and I'll see you again in the next video.